Hello, it's me, Wally Pinball again, and this is actually kind of neat. This isn't exactly what I was going to show you guys, but I thought you might like to see it because it kind of looks cool. Twister. Kind of like a black hole. Basically goes on and on and on. The mouse slowly fades away. How with everything? I like the twister. Like spiral steps. Okay. Anyway, that's not why I was here. That took about a minute. But anyway, this my new and improved Lego pneumatic excavator arm. 360 My camera just lost its stand, so I'm having actually wired cord that goes down to here is USB, but it's not like a handheld camera because my handheld camera stopped working, and now I actually have to try and set it up like that, but it doesn't stay. So I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do yet. Showing you guys. Anyway, okay. So this is my new pump. Let me get a chair out of the way so you can see it. This is my new pump for the Legos. Actually a basketball pump. But hey, who cares? It works. And so, trying to get a good view. There you can see the needle going. I pump it up to about 50 pounds of pressure. Hear that little hiss noise? I'm not quite sure if you can hear it, but that's whenever I stop. Okay, so this is what it can do. I like using the basketball pump better than the real pneumatic Legos. That's the only thing. It's not new or Legos, and I'm sorry, but it just happened to work a whole lot better. And I could pump air so much faster. This little red thing on the end here saved me from having to bring a basketball nozzle to it, which was just a tad small on the small side in diameter, which I was really upset about. But I managed to find this and it works. See how it's attached? It's just pushed over the end there, and well, it works. Anyway, so back to this. It can lift its own weight. No longer has that little pinchy claw thing on it anymore. And if those of you who liked it, I'm sorry, but I decided to go without it. So yeah, okay. Something happened to this thing there. Fixed it. Sorry about that. It no longer has, there's no need for the battery pack anymore. I just use it as a counterweight balance. So yeah, doesn't really do anything because there's nothing hooked up to it. Sorry, I had to fix that. There's nothing really on the battery that the battery pack does. I'm not sure if you saw it because I wasn't watching the screen. I was just kind of playing the camera around. So yeah. And since 4 minutes and almost 5 minutes now. So you have two pneumatic air tanks, a bunch of hose. I'm gonna try and get more hose and make this look all neat, and maybe even make it so I can be holding all the switches while it's working from there, so I can do with less of my hands in the way. I still only have 4 switches. This switch has this little thing on top. Trying to get a good view to that thing. I only had one, so I had to kind of make my own. There's that to correspond with that piston. Then up here, let me get a good angle at it. There is that little piece, which is on there as well. I had 2 of those, so, and then this one is big and bulky because it's meant to resemble the big and bulky bottom with the 2 pistons, only because I was too lazy to find a way to attach one of those onto there, and it wouldn't take much. I was just too lazy to do it. Anyway, this one, which doesn't have anything on it, right there, doesn't have anything on it, like I said earlier, and that corresponds to this piston, which doesn't have anything going with it. So that's how I tell apart the switches for that. Still have the automatic pumper in case I ever decide to put the automatic pumping device back on. Still has the motor and attached and everything, but I don't know, I may do that later. Still have not confined it to a small space, but that's it. So bye. I'll try and keep you posted with it as much as I can. I'll see ya.